That Lucid. Look at that Lucid. Look at that beautiful Lucid right here.
That's tempting. Yeah, thanks, man. That thing is beautiful.
Wow, so I'm in a Lucid. I love this car. I'm getting a massage right now. Look at the massage I'm getting. It's real nice. Straight luxury, huh? This is like the Model X. You know the visors? Man, this massage feels really good. Here goes Justin. Say what's up to Justin.
What's up?
Look at this space in the back.
Yeah, I like this.
What do you think?
Oh, I love the massage.
Yeah.
It's even on your gluteus maximus, the massage. Better lay seats. Look at the rear. It's a beautiful car. I'm in the back.
Okay.
Lucid.
There's a room back
Plenty of room, man. Real nice. Why don't you tell us a little bit about this model right here?
Yeah, so this is the Lucid Air Grand Touring. This is a fully loaded trim level. It's going to have 516 miles of range and an 819 horsepower. Right here we have the Tahoe interior.
The Tahoe interior?
And the exterior is the Zenith Red.
It's a beautiful interior color. What's it called, Tahoe again?
It's Tahoe.
Is this like Alcantara on the seats?
Yes, so we have Alcantara here on the roof, the dash. For the wood, it's going to be carbon oak. This part is alpaca's wool. Same with the carpeting.
Nice. It's all ventilated seats too?
Yes.
What is that? What do you call it?
Guys, you're like giant.
What?
You're like giant.
Wow, look at that.
That's really funny.
That is nice.
Put the cameras, top view. Top view here.
Wow. Do the seats in the back get massaged too or no?
Yeah.
It's just the two front? Is that like extra you have to pay for, or that comes with the car?
No, it's just with the Grand Touring, but right
Grand
now
Touring?
the front seats have massage seats.
Appreciate it.